The market theme Nifty has extended its winning streak to 4 consecutive weeks, and the good news is, we believe the rally is far from over. Our call of the day: the Dow Jones may have scaled fresh record highs in the week gone by, but our conviction remains unchanged. The rest of 2026 belongs to Dalal Street Bulls. The 3 positive catalysts. 1. Weaker than expected US June jobs data have eased fears of further Fed tightening, boosting hopes that the Fed may stay on hold. 2. Crude oil slipped below $67.50 per barrel, its lowest level since 27 February, easing inflation concerns and strengthening India's macro outlook. 3. Technically 2. The path of least resistance remains upward for benchmark Nifty, with aggressive intermonth targets placed at the psychological 25,000 mark. Bottom line: the bullish momentum remains intact, suggesting another positive week for benchmark Nifty. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's bullish session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 1355 crores, while DIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1954 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged towards 11.83 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, has inched higher towards 95.40 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.14 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.14. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.52. Midcap Nifty is at 0.84. Nifty outlook: bullish sentiment continues to strengthen on Dalal Street, with every meaningful decline likely to attract fresh buying interest. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,271. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 24,171 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,869 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 24,400. On the technical front, Nifty is now above its 21-day, 23,787, 50 DMA, 23,823, and 100-day DMA at 24,100, but still below its 200 DMA, 24,869. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,764. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 77,365 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 79,367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,300 to 78,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,939. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,073 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,707 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,500 and 58,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. This week, focus shall shift towards Tata Consultancy Services, which will officially fire the ceremonial starter's pistol for India's Q1 FY27 earnings season next Thursday, 9th July 2026. Sectoral preference. Sectors likely to outperform vertical bar. 1. Healthcare remains one of the strongest sectors, strong accumulation visible and improving long-term trend. 2. Defense stocks continues to attract institutional interest supported by healthy order books. 3. Auto stocks too look attractive amidst softer commodity prices and robust passenger vehicle demand. 4. Also, keep an eye on IT stocks which rebounded in Friday's trade after a prolonged correction. Sectors that could remain sluggish. 1. PSU banks, near-term relative weakness. 2. Power equipment, after recent policy-related selling pressure. 3. Highly leveraged real estate counters after recent sharp rallies. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Zydus Life Sciences, plus 3.92%, 1,143 rupees. Zydus Life Sciences gained after signing and more with Apollo Hospitals to launch the Shield Multi-Cancer Detection (MCD) test in India. Stocks closed in red. 1. Power equipment stocks came under sharp selling pressure after reports that the center allowed 4 Chinese-linked manufacturers with factories in India to bid for critical power projects, raising competitive concerns. We suspect this space to underperform in the near term as the entry of Chinese-linked players is expected to intensify competition for domestic grid equipment manufacturers. Top losers: GE Vernova Tande, minus 7.83%, Hitachi Energy, minus 8.08%, CG Power, minus 6.78%, TD Power Systems, minus 7.14%, Thermax, minus 6.27%, Transformers and Rectifiers India, minus 5.70%, GE Power India, minus 5%, and BHEL, minus 4.62%.